The Sargent Centre was established in 1989, and its vision was the application of systems thinking and mathematical modelling to solve systems problems in the industrial sector.
There are a number of benefits that collaborating with external partners brings to the Sargent Centre. One is understanding what are the critical research questions that we need to address, and the other is in the training and development of our students and researchers.
Starting my career in the center as early career academic has been transformative for me because it has given me the opportunity to belong from the start in a collaborative environment with exposure to the industrial consortium that has helped me understand how the tools and methodologies that I develop can transform into tangible industrial outputs.
Our impact comes through the software that we develop, whether that's open source software, licensed software, or spin-out companies. And one of our spin-out companies is one of the biggest success stories of Imperial.
We launched PSE Limited as a spin-out of the center to provide best-in-class advanced process modeling technology. Now part of Siemens, we employ 300 people. In fact, we are one of the major employers of engineers in the UK. The technology is being used daily by hundreds of clients worldwide. Overall, this is a fantastic example of translation of research into practice.
Our industrial consortium has lasted over 30 years. That's allowed us to have deep and broad collaborations with a range of partners, some of which have been with us for those 30 years.
The interactions with the industrial consortium partners helped me see the bigger picture and look beyond my research to see the different applications of systems engineering in industry. And it is this wider perspective that helped me secure my first job and transition smoothly into working in the pharmaceutical industry.
Over the past 30 years, the consortium has ensured the sharing of best practices across the global process industries. As an example, the techniques developed to map the energy transition helped Syngenta to plan its seed production campaigns with savings of €9 million per year.
As part of our very close work with industry, we are not just looking at the challenges of today. We are very much looking ahead as to what the challenges will be in the future and what we will need to provide in terms of insights, tools, theories to be able to tackle those challenges.
We have been able to launch some large multi-million-pound partnerships with companies within the consortium and outside the consortium, such as Sainsbury's and Eli Lilly and Company.
Our partnership with the Sargent Centre impacts process development across our portfolio. Our new tools have improved the quality of our experimental designs, greatly enhancing the information we gather from the time in the lab. Reducing the time and money spent in redundant experiments, we can bring medicines to patients more quickly. I have never seen an academia industry partnership go so quickly from idea to implementation to impact.